This video contains subject matter that may be offensive and disturbing to some people. If you are the type to require a warning throughout a video or show, let this message serve as your warning. This channel discusses the harsh reality of true crime. If this warning is not sufficient for you, consider a different genre and unsubscribe from my channel immediately.
Hello, this is Gray Hughes. Today's video will be on dispelling what seems to be a persistent rumor regarding an abandoned vehicle parked at the CPS building on County Road West 300 North in Delphi, Indiana. This just isn't true. This rumor has been debunked for over 5 years. As you're watching the video, please hit the subscribe button or the like button, and then after the video, put your comments in the comments section to foster more debate and discussion. However, after watching this video, I would imagine there wouldn't be much to debate. On April 22, 2019, Superintendent Doug Carter of the Indiana State Police led a press conference regarding the February 13, 2017 murders of Abigail Williams and Liberty German in Delphi, Indiana. In the press conference, new information was revealed, including a sketch of a younger-looking individual replacing the older sketch. They looked nothing alike. The first sketch release was based off of the video, and the second sketch released was based off of an eyewitness. The second sketch released was actually the first one created, about 3 or 4 days after the murders. Another piece of the audio, represented by the word guys and a 2-second video of the killer of Abby and Libby walking towards the girls on the southeast end of the Monon High Bridge, was also released.
Guys. Downhill. Guys. Downhill. Guys. Downhill.
Also mentioned in this press conference is that law enforcement would like to know the name of the driver of a vehicle that was parked at the abandoned CPS building. Doug Carter worded the sentiment awkwardly, causing confusion and fueling the conspiratorial minds of many. Doug Carter said,
"We're seeking the public's help to identify the driver of a vehicle that was parked at the old CPS DCS welfare building in the city of Delphi that was abandoned on the east side of County Road 300 North next to the Hoosier Heartland Highway between the hours of noon to 5 on February 14th, 2017.
The awkward wording allowed people to assign the word abandoned to the vehicle and not the building. He also mentioned the date February 14th, which is inaccurate. That too was corrected in the media after the press conference. After the press conference, rumors ran wild. Even news channels got in on the action. The rumors persisted strongly for a couple of months and still linger to this day. However, in June of 2019, I contacted Superintendent Doug Carter of the Indiana State Police and asked him if he could clarify what was said at the press conference regarding the abandoned CPS building and his wording. Doug Carter then forwarded the email to Sergeant Jerry Holman of the Indiana State Police, and then Sergeant Holman responded to me, and this is what he wrote. As far as the vehicle, we are looking for anyone who knows whose vehicle was parked at the abandoned building. The second sketch is the most accurate sketch and is who we are concentrating our efforts on at this time. Sorry for any confusion. So at that time, the notion of there being an abandoned vehicle at the CPS building was completely debunked, yet it still persists today. As you can see, Jerry Holman reveals that the vehicle was parked at the abandoned building, which obviously is referring to the abandoned CPS building, since that's the question I asked. There is no ambiguity in this statement. My takeaway from this portion of the press conference is that they were aware of, or want the killer to think they are aware of, the make and model of the vehicle, and that message was directed directly to the perpetrator. Perhaps they even have an individual in mind and wanted to see what they did with their vehicle after the press conference. That is the notion that I've talked about for years, but now you can see it in a much easier to digest format. As you can see, there is no ambiguity at all anymore. It was cleared up a long time ago. There was an abandoned CPS building, and a vehicle was parked at that building, and they just want to know who the driver of the vehicle is. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment after the video. Thank you.